Backstory on this thing. 1981 Honda Magna V45. That's 750 tamed cubes. It is owned by a woman whom has never ridden it. It sits around for a while. She gets a boyfriend. He rides it indefinitely. Long after he no longer had the relationship credit to borrow said bike. Only after the bike no longer runs is she offered it back. This is where we found it, abandoned in student housing. We find later that the keys have been lost. It appears they attempted to hotwire it from the ignition switch. Somehow they failed. Then they tried to hotwire it from the main solenoid near the battery. They also failed at this. I would guess they just tied all the wires together, which is a mistake because one of them is a ground. All the fusible links were melted, fuse is gone. After some time working through this, we were able to get it started and on to diagnosing the long wrap of other problems this bike faces.
My body went. It's going, dude. Come on, man.
Welcome to Cold Start Channel. I'm always on the lookout for junk, which is why I'm outside of a big garage in the middle of the night. It'd be a shame if you missed out on that.